good afternoon or good morning or good evening, depending on when you are watching this. So you have a test next week. This is your study guide. Me and Miss Davy going over it. Okay. So we are going to start on the first page. So it says, what is the range? And then in parentheses, right? That's kind of your hint. So on your actual test, you will not have this hint, but you will just have to know. But for your study guide, I want you to see these vocabulary terms that you may not quite remember and have that extra help if you need it. Okay, so what is the range, the y values of this relationship? So our coordinate pairs are always x comma y, right? So I'm literally going to highlight all of the y values. So that is the second number in every single one of these. Okay, and then remember, when you are given this on a test, whether it's your test for me, your test for iLearn, your test in the future, they're probably going to do it in order from smallest to biggest. So you are looking for which one includes these numbers, and they're probably going to be in order, okay? So A is out because in no way, shape, or form did you highlight a -3, okay? B has +8, all right? -5, all right. 7, good. 6, good. -8. Oh, that is there. Okay, well, maybe I didn't put them in order. There's that. Okay. We have -8. We have -5. We have 6. We have 7. And we have 8. All right, so that won't work. And then the last one has 3s. So like I told you before, I am looking for the one that's from smallest to biggest. So is B or C from smallest to biggest? Think of a number line. C is the one that is from smallest to biggest. So C would be your answer, even though B and C both have the same numbers. I want the one that is from smallest to biggest, okay? So for this one, again, what is the domain x values of this relation? So we're going to have x comma y, right? The x values this time. So I want to highlight, or I'm going to highlight, all of my x values. All right. So let's see what we got here. -3, good. 4, good. 12, good. 4, good. Okay, the first one has it. 8, there's no 8. -3, good. 4, good. 12, good. And then that 4 is with the original 4, okay? D is 8.2, or sorry, 8.12. 8 and 12 hundredths. So probably not, okay? So when you write domain and range, do you put every number even if it repeats, or do you only put that number once? You only put that number once. So you should have circled C.